So we are in Ann Arbor on Mershon Court. And we're running a 3-day sale, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The sale started this morning. It's going amazing.
We have a lot of wonderful things that were kept in pristine condition. We also have some lovely kitchen stuff, a lot of cool vintage things. There's some cool records here and some interesting lamps and books. There's a ton of books.
We have an immaculate tool shop, all high-end tools and equipment. The entire house is packed with amazing stuff. Patagonia clothing, Tommy Bahama, Echo shoes. Everything is top of the line. The sale is running Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So come and see us, 10 to 4.